I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the world, appointed by God, Creator of the world. Every day He is inviting us, some spiritual and selected soul, at His home, and He is teaching us excellent lessons uh, for benefit of entire humanity and pleasureful life for all living beings in seven beautiful world. Today, early in the morning, Amrut Vela, Brahma Muhurt, 3 to 5, God has invited us and teaches the great lessons. And after then, God has instructed us to give this beautiful message to entire humanity and for pleasureful life for all living beings in the seven beautiful world. So this is the great lessons. These are symptoms, indicators of last episode. Running in the world drama is playing on the world stage, world platform by God through entire mankind and all living beings. These all are mentioned in all religions books. First, majority people acts their deeds abnormally. In last episode, people start exploitations of nature's and its five elements. Earthquake occurs from time to times and destruct properties and living beings. Tsunami occurs in oceans and destruction made by tsunami of human lives and near oceans areas. Some extent of living beings all been destructed by tsunami in the surrounding oceans area. Cyclones occur from time to time and destruct trees, houses, and living beings. Overheating flow from sun and effect on living beings badly. Voice pollution, many kinds of pollutions effect on cycle of environment very badly. Heavy rains creates flood situations and destroy crops of agricultures and properties and all kinds of living beings. Some people practices with lust more and more, hence some fathers rapes their own daughters and sisters too. Majority people behave with anger in society, so and quarrels are being created and day by day increases of quarrels due to majority people's behave with anger. Some peoples are collecting more and more properties by their greedy nature and harm other people by illegal ways. People's attachments increase for their family members only, so that start acts illegal wages and imbalances generate in society. Ego increase in nature of people, so wars and world wars occurs in the world. All religions peoples forget spirituality and act only outer practices of religions, and it creates many problems in the world. Hatreds increase among people due to misunderstanding of religion's knowledge. Corruptions, exploitations, discriminations increases in acts of people, create many problems. Trust, divine love, peace, brotherhood disappears from people's behavior. Overpopulations generate many problems like unemployment, crisis of economy, recession, hence decrease living standards of mankind, decrease moral values, characterless peoples increase in society, many types of diseases increase, so human lives dies in mass. All such symptoms indicators arises due to wrong works, wrong acts, and wrong behavior of human beings in the world. So we can say transformation, सृष्टि परिवर्तन, जन्नत, कयामत of the world is very near and near. So human beings must be enlightened before that times, so God can give human beings next happy lives. You can share your noble experiences on my WhatsApp number so that I can spread your experience each and every corner of the world. My WhatsApp number is +91 9898 375 375. I am praying to the Almighty Supreme Soul, Allah, Paramatma, God, Rab. Oh God, please make your blessings ours, your powerful, knowledgeful power shower on the entire humanity and all living beings in the world, so that we can save from panic coronavirus situations and we can get pleasureful life, harmonyful, peaceful and divine loveful life for among entire humanity. Goodbye up to next meeting. And this message I received from House of the God. This is not came from my own mind. I am just serving to humanity by instructed and appointed by God, creator of the world, as a mother of the world, so that I am performing my duty as a mother of the world. I am serving to humanity and you people. Goodbye up to next meeting. God bless for everybody. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.